Hello friend, today we are studying cage culture, part 3, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1st, by Rohini Sudhakar Chavan, NES Science College, Nanded. Cage culture. Cage are a floating structure designed to contain fish, common large body of water, as such as lake and ocean. Allow water feed to freely float through them and fish waste to move away. Allow for easy capturing of fish. Cage come in various size and shape. There are different sizes and shape of cage are available. In cage there is a feeding is easily, and waste from of fish are move easily away from the cage, and it is a very easy to maintain, and it is prepared in lake and ocean. This is the structure of cage culture. Benefit of cage culture: occupy a small area of river, can or reservoir. It take very small area. Cage can be available and cheap material. It is cost for a preparation of cage is less. It is available easily and it is cheap. It prepared from a cheap material. Poor fire framing can be managed. Small cage structure. Fish can be stocked with a high density of fast growth. Yield and profit are high and easy to harvest. In cage, harvesting is easy, profit in yield is very high, and it is a fast density growth of fish. So profit we can get in small period large profit. There is a very small investment required for a cage culture. This is the construction of cage 25 centimeter above the sea level or water level, 1 meter in a depth in a water, and that at the bottom there is a width and breadth of 1 meter. Component of cage: frame. It is prepared from a three component: frame, floaters and sneakers. First we are studying the frame. Frame can be made up of wooden, plastic and steel. There are different type of material used for preparation of frame, that is plastic, wood, steel, and generally we use the plastic. Floating. They are made up of empty barrels or polythene balls. Snakers. They are made up of a stone, concrete material. Snakers are generally of a heavy weight, and floaters they are lightweight, so use a polythene balls or empty barrels. Risk and disadvantages. Disease outbreak is common. High density, contamination from other, quick change of environment. Culture cycle depend upon the season, and culture cage is affected by the floating storm, strong waves. In some case, cage become a obstacle for a transportation and landscape. For transportation purpose, cage is a obstacle, and for a landscape it is also obstacle. In cage culture, it is a depend upon the it is affected by the float, storms and strong waves, and disease occurrence is also common, and high density of risk of disease is in a cage culture, and contamination from other it is contaminated disease are more available or more common in a cage culture. This is a cage culture made up of barrels and plastic, wooden material. Component of cage: net. Net. Three types of net are present in inner net, outer net and over net. Three type of net are used in a cage culture. This is made up of nylon, mesh, wild mesh and woven split bamboos. Structure of cage. Cage is may be square, rectangular, circular, six-sided or eight-sided. There are different type of cages are available. Generally, the square and rectangular cage are preferred for culture, for where the more space is is available for a fish. The normal size of cage is a 20 to 60 meter cube. Types of cages based upon the installation cage are categorized into following: fixed cage, installed in running water. Fixed, they are not move or not float. Floating cage, these are prepared in rivers, lakes, offshore water. And submerged or movable cage, area affected by cyclone. Where cyclone is appear, there the submerged and movable cages are used. Feeding, water movement bring in nutrients and natural food. Additional artificial food is also given. Example: rice bran, fish meal, and soybean cake. Fish production. How the fish production is occur? Fish production is range from 3,000 to 25,000 kg per hectare per year in a large cage. Stocking density. There is no standard stocking density for a cage. The preferable stocking density is given below. Carp fry 210 meter cube. Crab fingerlings 40 per meter cube. Tilapia 150 meter cube and Miral 40 meter cube. Management of cage. Location, planning, cage preparation, water quality control, seed quality control, disease issue and management and harvesting. These are the managed in a cage. Advantages and limitation of a cage culture. First we study the advantages. Relatively low investment. It is a operate in a low investment. High production, fast growth. There is a production in a more in a and fast growth of a fishes are occur. Easily observation and management. Observation is easy. Treatment of disease. Treatment of disease is carried out in cage easily. Next point, movement and relocation is also easy. Movement due to the availability of space, movement and relocation is easy, and use available water resource. Easy harvesting. Easy harvesting is also done, and optimum use of feed and food. Feed and high stocking density. Reduce the pressure on a land. Control reproduction and control predator and competitor. Limitation: risk of thief, risk of fish loss. Fish loss होऊन जातात. Thief there is a thief also through the fishes. Disease outcome and control. Low tolerance to the poor waste water quality. Difficult to apply the rough weather, and water change is easily. Rapid floating and feed loss. Environmental impact is easily. Thank you.